All right, let's start talking about what's going on with Bitcoin on Wednesday. It's about 7 p.m. Eastern. I'm in Florida. Um, Weather's nice here. It's raining, as you can tell down here. Anyway, so I had a live stream going yesterday, and I said that I liked it long at 39,000. And it came in and bounced real nice right around 39,000 right here at about 11. And then took off for a nice $1,000 run, a little over $2,000. Market's looking pretty strong right now. Might get some dips, but we'll see. Overall, looks pretty healthy. Money flows in nicely. Let's take a look at the daily chart here. Don't mind all my lines, just that's me looking at stuff. All right, so what we had here? 8 days straight run up. Looks like it's going to continue. On the run, this big run obviously is because Amazon released that they're going to start accepting Bitcoin as payment. The money flow on the daily has been in the red. It is now pushing back to the green, trying to right here, as you can see. I've been waiting for this. I'm probably going to start trading long, looking for dips to go long. Let's take a look at the weekly here. So on the weekly chart, we have, this was our big run up. The momentum is now bottomed out and looks like it's going to try to go up on a run. So we should get a run probably up into this 46 range, I would say, before it bounces back. Now, I'm not saying that it's going to go straight from here to there. It's going to, up and down, up and down. You can guarantee it's going to go up and down. Probably bounce these spider lines on the way, as you can tell. Bounces them, comes back. So then it'll get through this one and run up to this one around 43.2. It's probably the next bounce back, but I would be wanting a entrance back here around 39,000 once again if you're leverage trading. And don't think for 1 second that this can't fall and come all the way back down here. Okay, guys? Just make sure that you're looking at what your risk is and you have a defined plan, what you're going to do, where you're going to enter, where you're going to exit. This is usually the screen I have when I am trading. I'm watching all of these parameters and what's going on, money flows, and I use Market Cipher. Obviously, that's what all this stuff on here is, Market Cipher. If you're not using Market Cipher, you should be. There's some free versions out there, but I don't think they're as good. These guys put a lot of work into this, so I support them and I like it a lot. What else we got here? Looking good on the weekly. If you look at the last time it dumped down, or 2 times ago, back here in 18, we had a few weeks of red, green, and then it went red again, and then slid, and the same thing kind of happened here. So don't think that it's going to the moon yet. I think we're going to get one more dump out of it. I really think I wanted to go long around 26,000, right in this range right here. It's kind of where I thought it would come to. Got bought up here because of that Amazon news. I was a little agitated by that. So I guess we will see. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching my video. Make sure you subscribe and follow. I do a lot of lives and put up the charts. So if you don't have Market Cipher, it does cost money. If you don't have it, I'll have it streaming. And if you'd like to see it streaming, leave me some comments, let me know, and I'll put it up more often.